In the beginning, God created the sky and the earth. And the earth was without form and void, and darkness was upon the face of the deep. And the Spirit of God was vibrating upon the face of the waters. And God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. And God saw the light that it was good, and God divided the light from the darkness. And God called the light day, and the darkness He called night. And there was evening, and there was morning, the first day. And God said, "Let there be a barrier in the midst of the waters, and let it divide water from the water." And God made the barrier and divided the water under the barrier from the water above the barrier. And it was so. And God called the barrier sky. And there was evening, and there was morning, the second day. And God said, "Let the waters under the sky be gathered together unto one place, and let the dry land appear." And it was so. And God called the dry land earth, and the gathering together of the waters called He seas. And God saw that it was good. And God said, "Let the earth bring forth a sprout, grass yielding seeds, a fruit tree yielding fruit according to its kind, with seeds in it upon the earth." And it was so. And the earth brought forth a sprout, grass yielding seeds, according to its kind, and the tree yielding fruit with seeds in it, according to its kind. And God saw that it was good. And there was evening, and there was morning, the third day. And God said, "Let there be lights in the barrier of the sky to divide the day from the night, and let them be for signs and for seasons and for days and years, and let them serve as lights in the barrier of the sky to shine upon the earth." And it was so. And God made two great lights, the greater light to rule the day, and the lesser light to rule the night. And the stars was evening, and there was morning, the fourth day. And God said, let the waters swarm with moving, living creatures, and birds fly above the earth upon the face of the barrier of the sky. And God created great sea monsters and every living, moving creature which swims in the water according to their kinds, and every winged bird after its kind. And God saw that it was good, and God blessed them, saying, be fruitful and multiply and fill the waters in the seas, and let bird kind multiply on the earth. And there was evening, and there was morning, the fifth day. And God said, let the earth bring forth the living creature according to its kind, livestock and creeping thing, and creatures of the earth according to their kind. And it was so. And God made the creatures of the earth after their kind, and livestock after their kind, and everything that creeps and crawls upon the ground after their kinds. And God saw that it was good. And God said, let us make humankind in our image, according to our likeness, and let them reign among the fish of the sea, and among the birds of the air, and among the livestock, among all the earth, and among every creeping thing that creeps, which is upon the face of all the earth, and every tree with fruit on it, trees yielding seed. This will be your food, and to every creature of the earth, and to every bird of the air, and to everything that creeps upon the earth, in which is the breath of life. I given every green grass for food. And it was so. And God saw everything that He had made, and behold, it was very good. And there was evening, and there was morning, the sixth day. Thus were finished the skies and the earth in all their vast array. And on the seventh day God ended all the work which He had done, and God rested on the seventh day from all the work which He had done. And God blessed the seventh day and made it holy, because on